kanina, parang may himik ng tambo kay Senator Bongo.
Yes, totoo naman yun. Because like, ikaw, if you're an elected official, you're supposed to voice out, what the people, yung need and want. And he is in a high position. And sa mas taas na, but like I said, he has time to redeem himself. Out of all, yung nangyayari. Because kung gusto niya pa tumakbo ng senador ulit, so that he is one with the Davaoeños, especially in times like this.
Sir, sa tingin nyo, iniiwan niya na ba si Tatay Digong sa ginagawa niya?
Possible yun, politics, hindi mo talaga can never guess what will happen next in politics.
Yung ganito nararamdaman nyo kay Senator Bongo, ganito rin yung pagtingin nyo sa mga iba pang DDS senators?
No, because Bong is a Davaoeño. So he claims, diba? So, and I'm also a voter. I voted for him. So, yung sinasabi ko, not because he used to be, former secretary or chief of staff of the previous president, but it's as a voter. I am talking to him as a voter.
Categorically, sir, anong sasabihin nyo ngayon kay Senator Bongo?
Like I said, yung sinabi ko kanina, I think kailangan niyang magpakita na it should speak up to what's happening in the Rose.
Last question, sir. Sa tingin nyo, nakain na rin ng bulok na sistema si Senator Bongo?
We cannot conclude. Hindi naman natin alam because maybe, like nilalaro niya lang, maybe he's afraid of something. Hindi natin masasabi. But like I said, he has time to redeem. He can do something. Just do something. Say anything. You make a statement. Gawin mo. Kailangan, you have to stand up for what's happening to Davao, what's happening to your kasama niya sa trabaho, which is the former president. All of this is happening to them. He's in one of the highest positions in the nation. But kung ano yung lumalabas sa bibig niya will be of significance to the current situation.
Mayor Gutipi. VP.
Happy or sad. It's just maybe technically the unit team was used as a vessel during the elections. It was never really intended. Maybe because even the president does not mention it right nowadays. So I do not know. It's a political tool.
Sir, suspended ka as mayor?
I do not know. It doesn't bother me.
Yun.
I wouldn't be surprised when everybody has been suspended already.